Let's do an example where you're given three sides of a triangle and you want to find all three angles. So suppose that side A is 4, side B is 3, and side C is 6. Okay, we don't know that this is a right triangle, we can't assume that, so I can't use right triangle trigonometry. I only have the sides, so I don't have any angles, so law of sines isn't going to work because I don't have an angle with the corresponding side. So I'm going to have to go and use the law of cosines. Doesn't matter which one you solve for. Maybe I'll start by solving for maybe the larger side, so I'll solve for angle C. Really no rhyme or reason, I just picked that one. So for angle C, we're going to use the one involving side C. So C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine of angle C. Okay, plug everything in, so we have 6 squared equaling 4 squared plus 3 squared minus 2 times what you just squared, so 4 times 3 times the cosine of angle C. Okay, to find the cosine of C, I'm just going to solve. Maybe I should clean it up a little bit first. So 36 equals 16 plus 9 minus 24 cosine C. So then just solving for the cosine of C, I'll start by subtracting the 16 and the 9 to get that on the other side. So 36 minus 16 minus 9 divided by, because this is multiplication now that I've moved that over, so dividing by negative 24. So then C is going to be the inverse cosine. So I got to undo cosine. Okay, so on the calculator, make sure you have degree mode. So inverse cosine of 36 minus 16 minus 9 over the negative 24. It's going to be about 117.28 degrees. Okay, let me find maybe the next larger angle. So side 4 is the next next larger side, so the next larger angle would be angle A. So I'm going to do the exact same thing, this time involving side A. So A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine of angle A. Okay, so plugging in all the information, so 4 squared equals 3 squared plus 6 squared minus 2 times what you just squared, the 3 and the 6, times the cosine of angle A. So 16 equals 9 plus 36 minus 36 cosine of A. Okay, don't get caught up in the trap that I can subtract this 36 minus this other 36 because it's not the same thing. This is the 36 cosine of A. So these are not going to cancel. So solving for cosine of A, I'm going to subtract the 9 and the 36 and then divide by the negative 36. So this is going to be cosine of A. So solving for A would be the inverse cosine. Just 2 steps at one here. So 16 minus 9 minus 36. So I move those two. So now I'm left with multiplication, so divide by negative 36. Okay, so that's about 36.34 degrees. Okay, so all that's left to do is find angle B, and I can find this pretty easily because I have the other two angles. So 180 minus 117.28 degrees minus 36.34 degrees. Giving me the smallest angle of 26.38 degrees. Okay, again, there was no rhyme or reason of why I started with angle C. I just wanted to point out that the largest side, which was angle C, should yield the largest angle, which it did. the next largest side, which was side A, should yield the second largest angle, which it did. And then the smallest side, which was side B, should yield the smallest angle, B, which it did.